Boil the noodle. Take a fish, any fish you like. I use black fish here. Squeeze half lemon on it. Add some ginger garlic paste. Add some soy sauce. Add noodle spice. Mix well and marinate it for 10 minutes. Boil the noodle, then separate the noodle and noodle water aside. Take a pan, add all and ginger garlic paste. Add marinated fish and leave for 5 minutes. Then use noodles soup for vitally. You separate from noodle, add lemon and soy sauce and salt on it. Add on the fish pan, mix well. Then add noodle and turn off the burner. Serve in a bowl and let's prepare stir-fried vegetables. Add oil on pan, then add ginger garlic paste. Add cabbage, carrots, beans, and capsicum. Add some salt and black pepper only and mix well. Serve with fish noodle soup. Please like and subscribe.